What it is, everybody? What's good? It's the real news in Asmic, the MC with the Hennessy Kimsa has Lalela. We are in the streets of the streets. Not going to tell you where we are, but we are definitely in the streets. If love is in the air, then love is definitely in the streets. This is another epic episode of Niyathembana Na. As Lisa would say, do you trust each other? I'm the real news in Asmic, the MC with the Hennessy Kimsa has Lalela. Dango!
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sira Mindombi Yaste Pebecha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo Ma. Best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
No, but no, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke ebale nobala. So yini inkinga yakho kani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?
Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana Na. Couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Coco, hello. Hello. Yo. Abantu abajolayo. They're not even gonna naga you when you say something. Hello, guys. Hi. How you doing? Please wait for me. Hi, guys. How are you? I saw you let your head down, so I also want to let my head down. I want to be like you. How are you? Guys, Nijan. Ngiyaphila nginibone mavi kancane nje ngizosithatha ngisiphosele ngani. Guys, askizini. Nginibone nibambene and I'm like, ooh, I'm so cute.
Thank you.
Are you guys dating?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, my name is Neexy and I am a YouTuber. I've got a YouTube channel and it's called CMTV, and we go around and test loyalty with couples. We play a little game to see who's loyal between the two.
Yes.
Is that okay? Okay, but we're not going to play the game now. Why? Okay, okay, guys, what's your names?
Deketeng.
Yeah, I'm Joshua.
Joshua. Yeah. Nice to meet you guys. So as I said, I am a YouTuber and I've got a YouTube channel. So I just want to find out, guys, how long have you guys dated for?
1 year.
Oh.
1 year, say 1 year, 1 month.
1 year, 1 month. Inini 1 month.
Next month.
Next month,
25.
yeah, payday. Okay, that's nice. So when Joshua, I see you've got a nice piercing there.
Yeah,
Is it your things, vele? Into zakhona, isitwadlo.
Yes.
Nice. So what do you like about Udiyegeteng?
Yeah, ngumuntu nje ucinga out of the world. Yeah, that's why ngimthanda.
Okay, nice. And what do you like about Jay? Can I call you Jay?
Umuntu ohamboli unekhe yabo. Uyangithanda.
Uyakuthanda ngamampela usho?
Yes.
Ukutshelile or uzwile or
Umtshelile ngiyamthemba.
Okay. Okay, that's interesting. So what do you know about trust in a relationship?
Yeah, ukuthembana kuba loyal. Ukuxelelana izinto right wrong and stuff and yeah, and ngiyamthanda yena shem because ngike ndahamba ndomintroduce ekhaya umama uyamazi.
Oh, mama uyamazi.
Yeah, uyamazi.
Oh, nice. Please don't make me switch to Xhosa. Okay, so mama uyamazi, and then wena, do they know him Kolona?
Yeah.
Sras.
Yes.
Okay, so since you guys dated for 1 year, how often do you guys see each other?
Shade. Bona ya family naye.
Okay.
Future naye.
Okay.
Together.
Okay, so nibonana kangaki in a day, in a month, in a week?
Depend.
Yeah, it
On?
depends because
Yeah, weekend.
uyasebenza ndiyafunda.
Oh, yena uyasebenza uyafunda. Uba nomdala phakathi kwenu? Oh, okay. No, I was just testing the waters, yabo. Because nguzo uthi uyafunda uyasebenza, so I was just testing the waters. Oh, okay. So, guys, we are going to play a little game, as I mentioned. And ningathuki. And to some camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, relaxan. Like, it's just a game. It's called 60 seconds on your base phone.
Okay.
Ne? And then, yeah. Niyathembana Na.
Yes.
Sure.
100%.
Okay, awukwazi wambhaca with anybody else.
Into zakudala.
Ezakudala.
Yes.
Wena?
Yeah, obvious nayo wayenza into wrong.
Okay, so you guys have favored before.
Yes.
Okay, and then did you resolve your issues? Or is it
Yeah.
something that you can't even forget?
Sis right.
Sisakhohlwa izinto eyenzekayo before.
Ooh, okay, nina loyal to each other, ne?
Yeah.
So mangathola ukuthi uyajolo uzenzani?
I think kufanele ndimshiye ana-chance.
Uzamshiya why?
Because like ndiyamthemba manje ngabantu ndenzile into ebuhlungu behind my back, you know, it's gonna be hurt.
Okay, wena?
Yeah. Mina ngamshi.
Na ungamshiya?
Yeah.
Why?
Like tlo kutlile bohloko haholo yabo. Ngoba ke mtshepa haholo.
Okay. So between 0 and 100, no, 100 is a very big number. We can't do 100. Test game can't be on 100. So between 0 and 10,
0 and 10.
how much do you trust him?
8.
2? Khatsagalang ka yona?
Ke hopola that.
Oh, okay. Wena?
Ndimthemba 10%. I don't
Okay.
think akandenzela phansi.
Okay, nice. Okay, so guys, we are going to play a game as mentioned, and the game is called 60 seconds on each other's phones. We are switching phones, so we are making the couple switch phones. So I just want to find out a few things about your base phone, and I'd like for you to also check a few things on your base phone, and just as you check what's happening on your base phone, what's been happening, what's up, what's cooking after baking, kanjani ne?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you guys to give me your phones. Wow, Moshe. Why put on it? Yo, riska chaisa ke dikoloi tse nice, a rena medical aid. Okay. O ka mfa before le wa le fana, lona la tshepana mos. Lona ke batla o mfe yona, le wena o mfe yona. So, ngizoqala ngobani? Nifuna siqale ngabani?
Yeah.
Eyakhe. Wa ukhetha kuqala uthe yakhe.
Yeah, it's always ladies first. You know?
Oh, okay. That's ladies first. So, Mavi, ngicela ungibambelele na. Okay. Vi, awungene ngaphakathi lapho. Sibone ngoba mina mangangena phakathi kuyoba amanzi phansi. So ngicela ungivulele yona. Worried?
I'm not.
Okay. So nayike.
Okay.
Ngicela ungenele ku WhatsApp ne?
Sure.
Uswile?
No.
Awuthu. Then ungawuphosa jwala.
Fail.
Oh, okay. Asingene ku WhatsApp.
Sure. Yes.
Okay, first message. I love you. Ufake no hearts ne?
Yeah, him.
Uwe.
Yeah.
Ubani lapho?
J.
Oh. Okay, so you save it as J.
Yeah. Service.
Oh,
Whoever
okay.
one pin nickname athi ngiku-J.
Oh, askizi ngokuthathela nickname kamuntu wakho. I didn't know. Okay, so since phuma lapho. So it's J, I love you. That's the only person that's there.
Yes.
Okay. Now I want you to search for I miss you. Let's see.
Yeah, it's only me.
Sure. Girl.
I'm loyal.
You are loyal, eh? Uyithepile ne? Usho ka taba tsa hao ne? Okay, so I want you to search for please I need you to come back.
No one. Ndim kuphela.
Sure. Hey, this girl. Woo, phone yakho girl. Ayazazi indaba zakho. Okay, do you have Instagram?
Yeah.
Okay. But before we go on Instagram, I know ladies love to do something on their phone. I want you to go on YouTube. You've got a profile on YouTube, right?
No.
Ka Google thing. That Google thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Sharp. I want you to go on YouTube. I want you to search for the last thing she searched for on YouTube. And if it shows porn, then you know what your girl is doing.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's a sport.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a sport.
Okay. Then we can go on Instagram, wasn't it? Bona o itumetse jang? Ebile wa posa. Hey, wake zoom. Okay, let's go on Instagram.
Yeah.
Okay. I want you to go into the DMs.
Yeah,
I want you to say, when will you visit me?
No one.
Yo, Ahle. No one.
Yeah, that's why I'm 10%.
And there's no one, Gamampela, guys. There's literally no one. Okay, cool. So you've got 16 followers. Why did you do an Instagram account if you've got 16 followers? Okay, do you have Facebook? Okay, let's search on Facebook.
Yeah.
I want you to search, can I take you out?
I go kundim la message yakudala.
Oh, message like that. I just zoomed. I had to go inside. Oh, okay, message Akdala. Okay, that's fine. So it shows ukuthi she's loyal. How do you feel?
Yeah. Bendazi ukuthi vela ngeke ndenzele phansi and stuff. Yeah.
Okay, so that's why. Okay, yeah, now umuphe that 10 out of 10, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's perfect. So ngiyabonga, siyabonga, siyabonga. Uthukile? Are you worried? Awuthukanga? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, okay. Mavi, can we have the second phone, please? Why is smashed so? Bamba outsam. Oh, we has password. Oh, okay.
Akafuni ngayo sometimes.
Okay. Vula lapha.
Ish.
Vula.
Hayibo. Kunenkinga la.
No, akunankinga, it's just like kunama messages abona kudala.
Asiwabone ke, sobona ukuthi awakudala ngithi.
Okay.
Sesingaphana ngefoni ke. Thank you. Thank you. Hey. Hi. Okay. What's up? Ibile wo. What's up ka re tshwere ditori. I want us to start with Instagram, the lighter things.
Okay.
Okay. I want you to search for, please send me your picture.
Okay.
As chief there.
Yeah.
Where's the as
Umngane esebenzisa le phone.
umngani wakho bekasebenzisa why? Why umngani wakho bekasebenzisa le phone?
Yeah.
Ngibona typing lana.
Okay.
Abanye lerato.
Okay.
Yeah.
Abo send me your picture.
Please.
Okay. Okay. So we found send me your picture on Instagram. I want us to go on WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. Okay.
I want you to search for your name first.
My name. DK. Umpale forever mine.
Upale wena forever mine.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, that's a good start. Now I want you to search when can you come over?
Okay. Yeah. Ngibona mina no Angela no Buhle.
So there's wena, Angela and Buhle.
Yeah, uBuhle ngimazi as like cousin yakhe, you know.
Okay, Buhle
Because
umazi as i-cousin yakhe.
Yena
Not his.
cousin yakhe. Ukhe waza naye, ngintroduce naye.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So okay, asiphume lapho kena. Ngifuna ungisearchele something else.
Like,
Ngifuna ungisearchele ukuthi I love you.
okay. I love you. Ngiyambona ku Angela no Buhle futhi again.
Yeah, obvious. Some uyazi. Cousin yakho ngasho ukuthi uyayithanda yaqona.
Cousin yakho yenzani?
Cousin
Okay.
ngasho ukuthi
Awungisearchele lapho. Awungisearchele over ukuthi usho ngalento esho.
Cousin ungathi uyayithanda.
Okay.
Cousin mother.
Okay.
Singene kuye
Asingene kuye. Ngifuna ungisearchele ukuthi when can we be able to do the things?
Hayibo.
Ubona?
Okay.
What do you see?
Uthi uyeza kuye sometimes and uenjoyile lento le bayenzile
Ujongani?
and then
Nathi siyajonga la.
And
Siyosiwe,
yena
wozani
uthi-
ngapha guys, wozani ngapha
yena
siyosiwe.
uthi yeah ngiyabonga futhi ukuthi ube side chick yami ungabonisa uDK ukuthi siyajonga
Ubani lo?
ubuhle
So the cousin.
the cousin one
So the cousin akabonisa uDK ukuthi niyajola. Why? Ngicela ngena kuma media kabuhle lapho.
Like cousin yami abo siyasendelana ama-photos.
Ama-photos anjani?
Hayi bo basena nama
Ama-private part? Useni private part yakho kubudle?
Maybe chomi yami, umchita wami yabo. Maybe umchita wami.
Why?
Andithi umchita wami vele uyayisebenzisa vele ifoni yami yabo.
Umjita wakho usebenzisa ifoni yakho?
Yeah, uyayisebenzisa umchita wami.
But uchata nobudle. So umjita wakho why athi ungaxeleli u-DK?
Like ubuhle like maybe ish. Andazi yazi ubuhle ungabe wenzani.
Ufila kanjani? Ubona bobuhle, ubone imihlola ngapha.
Yo inhliziyo
private part.
Yo.
Wena uke ngisendele private part yakho?
Akazayicela.
Why?
Phone le eyam.
Why mela icela? Why mela icela ngithi umuntu wakhe? Wangamsurprise.
Hayi.
Shayeva ebusweni.
Hayi. Akakho interested.
Akekho interested. Kusho ukuthi u-interested kubudle.
Yeah,
It's just like akaniki ixesha lona leyo.
U-DK akakuniki ixesha.
Ixesha lona leyo.
wayengasho. Ma uyazi ukuthi hlezi ngiyukuphi space ukuthi ufunde ngisho.
Yeah.
Esinye semsebenzini.
Yeah, mara like unika ixesha for Sunday like few hours.
Yo, wakha? Sondela. I want to know. Akakuniki ixesha, what's happening?
Like akaniki ixesha lomntana like soloko sebanganini bakho prefer abangani tani mna. And into ayenzayo ukuxelela abangani bakho ukuthi undithengele impahla ngestuff.
Angakuyisi lapho yozoyisa amantombazane.
Ngoba like ananoba kwenzeka ntoni naye yabo. So into yazi iyona lento ayenzayo because yazi ukuthi undithengele impahla. Uyanika imali ebhonus ukuthi ndiphuza nabangani bami ngestuff. So yabo. That's why maybe senza lento.
Okay. So DK, how do you feel about this?
Yo inhliziyo yami ibhlungu bengimthembile azini. Bengimthembe sikasi.
Ukujwayela kabi ne? So njengoba kujwayela kabi so yini uyambona ukuthi u-actor kanjani? Kuzenzakalani?
Zakhe like lezi yabo.
Wena uyamnikela ixesha.
Yeah, ixesha. Mina xa ngibuya esikolweni ndiza kuye yabona uzomchecka.
Unamanga. Uza sometimes hlezi angitshela ukuthi uyafunda. Sometimes Saturday fanele sibonane ungitshela ukuthi uyodaka. Phezulu kwalokudaka lo ngimphima imali yami ukuthi ayophuza ngayo.
Yabo yona into ayithethayo lena abangani bakho ukuthi ungiphi imali, ungithengele impahla yabo. So engixelela ukuthi ndinje ngenxa yakhe like kufuneka ndenzeni.
So ayakhetha lawo magama la.
Nasembhedeni futhi lo muntu.
Yeah.
Azomintroduce.
Okay.
Kanti uzo-introduce isifebe sakhe.
Wa introduce isifebe sakho.
Ukuthi naye yabo nembhedeni naye akho right.
No, uyangijwayela sikasi ngijwayela ngabi.
Zavele zashuka zatetema zaba ku loudspeaker. Athi awukamnandi. Uzizwa kanjani? Athi wena uyomnadi.
Yeah. Embhedeni like
Okay, so
senze lamashita sekasi ukuthi yabona yamona nawe umyeka.
yo sizo rounda lana ke sizo
senze lamashita sekasi ukuthi vele xa nivela naye vele yabona amashita aniphakamisela ukuthi no njayama aya uphethe la.
Okay,
So,
athi
lona nje
uphethe ini?
umsebenzi nje endiwenzayo naye.
yini nomsebenzi lo?
Ukuma kwakhe yabona diwe yami engakhona ubuhle yabona umntana vele abamfuna amashita amaningi.
So wena wamthatha because amajita amaningi amthathile.
Yeah, mina umthanda ishasile.
Buza umuntu wakho ukuthi wayekenza so.
Wangeza so. Wathi opportunity ekufileni yona babangadebelela zwa. Nabangani bakho yazi ukuthi bayangifuna.
Yeah, ndiyayazi le vele ukuthi.
Mangihamba nawo bahlezi bakhala ngami. Ngijwayela kahle.
So uzomenzani makakujwayela kabi so?
Ngifuna ukumtrapa.
Ufuna ukumtrapa?
Yeah.
Why ungatrapa ubuhle?
Naye wozobeka khona bengizomtrapa.
Okay. Yo guys, siyakhala zatetema ziku loudspeaker. Let me run away, Bafethu. As it's happening, it's lit, it's happening, and it's going down. We don't know how it's going to turn out, but this is Niyathembana Na. Bafethu, I just want to find out from you. Are you satisfied with what you had gotten?
Yeah.
Because sesiphumile indaba zika Jay.
Ngibonile ukuthi yinja ngisafuna nix.
Okay.
Ngizongihlanganisa naye.
Jay, are you happy with how things are?
No, I'm not happy.
You're not happy?
Yeah, kade nina nivela phi nina?
No, as we were playing a game, remember, Ngithi, it was just a game.
Yeah.
So now the game turned into reality.
Manje so
Bakufaca, yabo.
shiyaniso vese so.
Okay, ufuna senzeni? Ufuna simncede ngani?
Nini nixabanisa nomuntu wakho? Manje
Asikucabanisanga.
ufuna ukungishaya.
Kusho ukuthi wena uyaganga.
No, ukuthi awuzikhanda.
Uqala ungiphelele nale phone le imali yami cela phone yami.
Ungawi lapho.
Like phube kimi ne.
Uzomyeka? Miya kanjalo? Just like that.
Khuluma naye.
Mlandelo, uzokhuluma naye endlini wakhuluma naye phambi kwethu.
Ngoku uyabo uzonishaya that's.
Uzoshaya. But at least calm it down, Mos.
Yeah, at least yabo, nginishiye niyona.
Yo, usiya kanjalo? Zikhanile sibekula speakers tetemile bafethu. It is what it is before it was what it was. I'm the real news and as the MC with the Hennessy skim sized. And this is Niyathembana Na. Loyalty test is on par. Dango.
Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Intwana yase Kings bathumti mandu mabuyu bambolunyu uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana Na. Couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanumjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name of course is Lisa Sira Mindombi Yase Pebecha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process of course I make sure Ziyamporo Ma. Best believe if we are Yuruza I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Siyayibona into yenzayo.
No, but nengani.
No, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke ebane nobala. So yini inkinga yakho kani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngingabi nemfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?